Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Christmas-themed cake with a poinsettia wreath on it. I love making Christmas cakes. I try to make as many as I can every year, so let's get started.
I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out some green fondant and cut out a bunch of leaves using a plunger cutter. I placed the leaves around in a circle pattern. And in the middle of the circle in a circle as well. Then I rolled out some dark red fondant and used the same leaf cutter to make a whole bunch of red leaves. Poinsettias are actually the leaves that turn red, so use leaves to create them. The yellow things in the middle are the actual flowers. I placed the red leaves in groupings of 6. Then I placed 2 green leaves and groupings of 6 red leaves on the side of the cake. Forgive the 5-year-old photo bomber, she likes watching herself in the camera monitor. Then I rolled some small balls of yellow and placed groupings of 3 in the middle of every poinsettia.
But seriously, how adorable is this? I absolutely think it's so cute. This is so adorable. I'm in love.
Merry Christmas! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Support us on Patreon and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.